Hello students, how are you today? I hope everybody is okay today again because today we're going to have another expressions by situations and this time we're already on series 1-10. Series 1-10. Okay, now let's read all together students. Let's go. David doesn't make a snowman. Very good. David doesn't make a snowman. Why? Because he wants to make another thing. Oh, he just wants to play with the snow, right? One more time. What is this sentence? David doesn't make a snowman. Very good. Now, what does David do? Okay, let's go. David doesn't make a snowman, so David makes what? Makes a snowball. Only snowball. To fight. Got it? So, now, students, let's go to number 93. Look. We don't play baseball. One more time. We don't play baseball. Very good. Why? What do you play? We play what? We play ghost top. For example, you like ghost top, students? No. Or what else? We play computer game. Computer games. Many computer games. Got it? So we don't play baseball. Why? We could say because, you know the meaning of because, right? We play ghost top. Or because we play computer games. Do you understand, students? Very good. Now let's go for 94. Here. What time do you eat lunch? One more time. What time do you eat lunch? Very good. Now, in this case, if this is the question, what is the answer, students? Very good. So we could say, we what? We eat lunch at what time? At 12 noon. Guys, what is the meaning of noon? Right. It's already 10 p.m. Okay? Or it's like 12 to 1 o'clock. Got it? Very good. So, what time do you eat lunch? The answer is, we eat lunch at 12 noon. Very good. Understand, students? Okay. Now, for example, if I say, how many times do you eat? Every day. For example, guys, what time? The answer is at 12 noon, right? But if the question is how many times? If the question is how many times, what is the answer? The answer is what? We or I eat 3 times a day. Or I eat, what else? I eat 4 times a day with snacks. Do you understand? Very good. So they are different, students. How many times? 3 times a day. How many times? 4 times a day. Do you understand? Very good, students. Now, let's go for 94. Do you listen to music? Do you listen to music? Now, if this is the question, what do you think would be the best answer for this one? We say what? Yes, I do. I listen to music all the time. You could make your answer like that, right? Or if it's no, you say no, I don't. I am always busy. So you cannot listen to music. You don't listen to music. Do you understand, students? Okay, one more time. Do you listen to music? Yes, I do. I listen to music all the time. Very good. Or you like music. Got it? Or, no, I don't. I am always busy. Or you could say, you could use here because. Okay? Because, why? Because I am always busy. Do you understand, students? Very good. Let's go for number 96. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? Very good. Remember, don't forget this one. What kind of music do you like? What should be the answer? You say, I like what? Pop music. Very good. Or what else? I like ballad. Do you understand? So if the question is what kind of music? There is pop, there is ballad, there is also many things, right? Now I'll give you another example. What kind of dogs do you like? Remember, what is the answer here? What kind of dogs? I like Jindo dogs. For example, Korean dog, right? Or I like pit bull. Wow. These are the kinds of dogs, students. Do you understand? What kind of? Pit bull, Jindo, Chihuahua. What else? What kind of music? Pop music, ballad. There are still many others. Do you understand? Very good. Now let's go for 97. Where do you do your homework? One more time. Where do you do your homework? Very good. So where do you do your homework? Remember, the question is where. It means it's a place, right? The answer should be what? I do where? My homework at home. For example, or I do my homework at or in the library, for example. Got it? Oh, sorry. What is the spelling of library? Good job. So where do you do your homework? I do my homework at home. Or I do my homework in the library. Guys, do you understand? Very good. Now, 98. Who washes the dishes? One more time. Who washes the dishes? Now, if the question is who, what do you think is the answer? Who, right? The answer should be the name of a person. It's a person. So the answer is, I wash the dishes, for example. Or, for example, another, Sangbu washes the dishes. Remember, Sangbu is only one, so we use es, washes the dishes. Do you understand? But if it's I, you should use only wash. Got it, students? Very good. Okay. Okay, students, now let's go to number 99. What do you think is this one? Let's read, everybody. Do you sometimes help your mom? One more time. Do you sometimes help your mom? Very good. Sometimes. What do you mean by sometimes, students? Very good. Tete, like this one, right? Very good. Now, if somebody asks you, do you sometimes help your mom? Oh, what do you answer, students? Yes, I do. Or you could also say what? Of course. Oh, of course. You know the meaning of course, right? Very good. Another example is, oh, sure. But sometimes you could say, no, I don't. Right? No, I don't. Why? Because. You need to use because for your reason. Because I am studying. Very good. So you are busy. You cannot help your mom, right? Very good. Let's go. Let's read one more time. Do you sometimes help your mom? Answer, yes, I do. Of course, or sure. No, I don't, because I am studying. Understood? Now, let's go for 100. Now, when do you speak English? One more time. When do you speak English? Very good. Or you could say, if somebody is asking you when do you speak English? What do you say? I, verb, speak, what? English every day, for example. Or we can say, I, what else? I speak English in the afternoon. Only in the afternoon. When you go to when you go to B&J, or another, I speak English when? In B&J, when I study, where? In B&J. Got it? Very good. Okay? Good job. So, let's go. Everybody, let's read. When do you speak English? Answer, I speak English every day. Another, I speak English in the afternoon. Or, I speak English when I study in B&J. Remember, when I study in B&J is also the time. Okay? Now, let's go for our next one. 101. What does your father do in the evening? One more time. What does your father do in the evening? Now, if this is a question, remember what, right? What is the answer? So, the answer should be something or situation. Okay? So you can say, what's the answer? My father, what does your father do? Watches TV. Where or when? In the evening. Got it? Very good. Now, students, if I ask you this one, what do you do? Where? In the evening. What is the answer? I study in the evening. Very good. Or what else? Another expression or another example, I do my homework. Very good. In the evening. Do you understand? Good job, students. Now, after this one, if you have any question, you can ask any of our teacher. Do you understand? Let's go. Let's read one more time. What does your father do in the evening? Answer, my father watches TV in the evening. Very good. Or what about this one? What do you do in the evening? Answer, I study in the evening. Or, I do my homework in the evening. Understood? Very good, students. Now, see you again next time. Bye!